Best cooking oil 5 liters. Offers. Number 5. Tisano Olive Pomace Oil. Ideal for all Indian cooking. 5 liter. Approx price 1518 rupees. Obtained from high quality Spanish olives. Manufactured and packed in Spain. Zero cholesterol, low saturated fat. High in healthy fats, MUFA and PUFA. Extra light in aroma and flavor. High smoke point of 240 ounce Celsius. Number 4. Mr. Gold Coconut Oil Can 5 liter. Approx price 1207 rupees. Coconut oil used for cooking. 100% pure and edible grade coconut oil. No added chemicals or fragrance. Food grade heat leak proof packaging. No burnt smell, pure aroma of coconut oil. Number 3. Gulab Gold 100% pure double filtered groundnut oil 5 liter. Approx price 1150 rupees. Gulab groundnut oil has MUFA content of 54%. This MUFA reduces the proliferation of bad cholesterol. Groundnut oil is one of the healthiest oils. Vegetable oil that is naturally trans fat free. Vitamin E and phytosterols which benefit heart health. Number 2. Olive Active with Goodness of Olive Oil Jar 5 liter jar. Approx price 1119 rupees. Ideal cooking oil for Indian cooking. Refined oil with benefits of 2 oils in one combination. Sci-fry technology which make it suitable and stable for deep frying. Energized formula which ensures you stay active. Number 1. Safola Active Pro Weight Watchers Cooking Oil. Approx price 805 rupees. With Losorb technology. Ensures your food absorbs up to 27% less oil. Safola Active Blended Edible Oil. Contributes in maintaining blood cholesterol levels. Fortified with vitamin A. This vegetables oil brings alive the natural flavor of the food cooked. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.